Are you looking to buy in Arabian Ranches 3? If you're an investor looking for high rental ROI, or if you're a homeowner wanting to sell your property hassle-free on a good market price? Hello everyone, my name is Bilal Saleem and I'm a community expert in Arabian Ranches 3 and different communities of Emaar, Aldar, Damag, Dubai properties. Seriously looking for townhouses and villas in Dubai land? Make sure to subscribe my channel for more updated videos. Today in this video, I will explain the most promising cluster in Arabian Ranches 3 called Anya 2. If you're a new buyer or if you're a seller looking to sell your property on a good price, make sure to see all this video. As you know, Arabian Ranches 3 is one of Emaar flagship communities known for its family-friendly environment, green landscape and modern townhouses. It offers a perfect blend of comfort, luxury and connectivity with direct access to Emirates Road and Sheikh Zayed bin Hamdan Al Nahyan streets. Let's jump into the master plan of Arabian Ranches 3. This is the master plan of Arabian Ranches 3 having a 16 clusters. Anya 2 is the second cluster of Arabian Ranches 3 nearby connectivity of Sheikh Zayed bin Hamdan Al Nahyan street. If you see the retail, mosque and school, resident of Anya 2 can easily access to the central park of Arabian Ranches 3. So Emaar launched this cluster in March 2023 and the expected handover is 2026 and it offers a payment plan of 90-10. Right now Emaar accelerated the payment because of high demand in the market for townhouses. Anya 2 having a 3 and 4 bedroom townhouse. If we discuss about 3 bedroom townhouse, the plot range starting from 1550 square feet to 1600 square feet and the built up area is 1999 to 2000 or 2050 square feet. If we discuss a 4 bedroom townhouse, the plot size ranging from 2800 to 4700 square feet and the built up area is 2450 to 2500 square feet. Recently, I sold one of the best unit in Arabian Ranches 3 Anya 2 V20 having a plot size of 4700 square feet and built up area is most probably 2450. I sold in 3.85 million. There are 3 types of architectural townhouses available in Anya 2, Luna, Arya and Iris. If you are really looking for a floor plan, you can text me on WhatsApp. I can let you know all the details of this specific cluster. Now we have to see what exactly the sellers are looking for. Let's jump into the property finder and see the listings over there. First of all, 2.65 million for 3 bedroom, 2.7 million for 3 bedroom, 2.8 million for 3 bedroom, 4.3 million for 4 bedroom, 2.7 million for again 3 bedroom, 3.8 million for 4 bedroom, 2.685 million for 3 bedroom. These are some specific listings for 3 and 4 bedroom townhouse. So now we have to see what exactly the buyers are looking for and investors are looking for. What are the market price right now at the moment? Let's jump into the DXP Interact and we have to see from last 1 year, we have to check the year-on-year transaction. There are total 78 transactions. And if you can see the median price, 1570 square feet is the median price for this specific cluster. Anya 2, 2.736 is the median price for 3 bedroom townhouse right now at the moment. So the latest transaction on 14th of May 2025 is 3.5 million, 4 bedroom, having a plot size of 3069, 4.1 million for 4 bedroom, 3 bedroom 2.7 million, 3 bedroom 2.5 million, 3 bedroom 2.5 million, 3 exactly 2.580, 2.658. You can see basically for 4 bedroom, some are asking 16%. I think this seller is exactly having an issue of some payment, so that's why he sold that unit in 6%, 16%, 10%, 6%. So these are the transactions where buyers and investors are looking for to buy in this specific cluster Anya 2. So if you are a seller wanted to list your property on a good market price, I'm here, Arabian Ranches 3 expert. I can guide you if you are going to keep it, hold it. If you're looking for a rental purpose, if you're planning to sell at the time of handover, I can guide you according to your requirement. And thank you so much for watching this video. Next video, we have to explain the another cluster of Arabian Ranches 3 which is called Anya. Take care. Bye-bye.